curls right now are flourishing, sis. They flourishing. Do y'all see it? Hello YouTube, my name is Jas. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be getting rid of this straight hair. Y'all, it's been about, I would say maybe 2.5 weeks since I did my silk press video. If you want to check that out, I will link it down below. But y'all, it is just something about having like your natural curls out. Like with the straight hair, you do have to be a little more careful, just because like if the weather doing something outside, or if it's raining or a lot of humidity, then you gotta be extra careful, which is why y'all see all these little waves. But I'm going to be reverting my hair from the silk press straight state back to its natural curly state. So I actually saw this product on Pinterest, and it was a wash and go product, and I loved the results. The company is called My Curl Products. And so when I researched the brand, I found out it was actually Black owned, which I'm always for supporting our people. And I just saw that stylist, her name is Styles by Lisa, and she came out with her own brand. And I looked up all the results, and I was just really interested in the product. So I actually reached out to the company and told them that I wanted to review their product. And so they actually sent me some product to try. So since it's time for me to wash my hair anyway, I'm actually going to be using this product, and I'm just so excited to try it. So this product is actually pretty affordable when you're comparing it to some other natural hair products. When it came in the mail, she actually sent me a guide here. So I hope that light's not reflecting too bad. But what I really liked about this card is that, like if you have a book and you have like a table of contents, this is kind of telling you about all the products that she sent. And on the back, it has a natural hair guide for your texture. So let's see if I can get a good glimpse of that for you. So like, even if you don't know your texture, or you're just kind of in between or don't know what kind of natural hair you have, this card can be used as a great reference for you to find out what kind of texture you have. So I also want to say that even though this company sent me their product, I'm always going to do honest reviews. I'm not being paid to do this review on this product, but they did send me the product, so just make your judgment from there. Always, my loyalty is going to be to y'all. It's not going to be to the company. So I'm going to give y'all my honest feedback on these products once I use them. So she sent me 4 products here, and I'm going to go over them individually for you guys. So this one is the shampoo here, and it's called Clean Slate Hair and Scalp Therapy Shampoo. And from what it says, the ingredients are soap, water, ginseng roots. Oh my gosh, I can't read some of these words. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the ingredients up on the screen for y'all so y'all can see, so I don't have to read it out for y'all. But it says it's an acid balanced herbal clarifying shampoo treatment. It adds moisture and shine. It's highly effective and gentle enough for everyday use. So that's the shampoo. And the leave-in conditioner here, that's the packaging. It has avocado, sweet almond, and jojoba oils. I hope I'm saying that right, y'all. I don't want to sound crazy. But it's paraben, sulfate, and silicone free. All right. Let me smell this, because I did not smell the shampoo. Let's smell the shampoo. Okay, the shampoo does smell kind of like apple cider vinegar to me. That's what it smells like. The leave-in conditioner, let's smell it. Now that smells pretty good. That smells pretty good. And then we have the curl foaming mousse that she sent. And it's supposed to add moisture, volume, and shine. It says no parabens and moisture rich. And it has a whole bunch of instructions on here, but I'm gonna put the ingredients up on the screen because I'm not gonna read all of this. And if y'all want to, I'm gonna link the website down below. The curl sauce, I believe this might be the curl gel, But it has marshmallow root and flaxseed, and it is paraben and sulfate free. I've never heard of marshmallow root, but then again, I'm not a person that really reads into ingredients like that. I need to start so I know what works well for my hair and what doesn't. But y'all, I'm very excited to try this, but let me read the directions real quick. Okay, so it looks like you would do the hair and scalp therapy shampoo first, and then you would do your leave-in conditioner, and then you would do your curl foaming mousse, and then you would do your curl sauce at the end. So let's get started on trying some of these products, y'all. So first thing I want to show y'all is me. Ooh, my head itching. That's why I know it's time to wash this, because ooh, honey, this thing dirty, dirty, dirty. All right, so first thing I want to do is go ahead and kind of like wet my hair and like show y'all it reverting from it being straight to back curly. I didn't put a lot of heat on my hair while it was straight, but you know it's always a risk of having some heat damage after you put heat on your hair. So let's start with that.
So y'all, I'm just going to start off with using my spray bottle with water only, trying to get my hair to revert back to its natural state. I will say it did take some time for my curls to start appearing. I did want to go ahead and test out the shampoo on a section of my hair just to make sure I didn't have a bad reaction. Then after that, I just began putting it in the front of my hair.
All right, since I did this front part for y'all, as you can see, my curls are coming back from being, you know, straight. I do think this part of my hair may have a little bit of heat damage, but I think it was like that before, so whatever. I will say it does kind of have a strong smell. It smells like apple cider vinegar to me. I don't know if y'all like apple cider vinegar. That's not a smell that I like per se, but I do like the way it has my curls feeling, and I do like how the shampoo, when it comes out, it foams like this. I think that's super cool. It reminds me of setting foam, which I always love the consistency of that. But yeah, this is what we're working with right now. So let me go finish doing this in the rest of my hair, and we're gonna use the leave-in conditioner and the rest of the products.
So here is a quick look of the texture difference with the product on my hair. So I went and saturated my hair with water, and then now I am putting the shampoo all over my hair. I actually love this foam. I just love the way it feels on my hair. So when I wash my hair normally, I always focus on my scalp. I want to make sure that I am getting my scalp clean and getting all the dirt off of my scalp, because I use a lot of product and I want to make sure I don't have any buildup. After I make sure my scalp is clean, I go ahead and focus on the bottom of my hair. And then normally I would try to detangle some with my shampoo and conditioner. But since this product line did not send me any conditioner, they only sent me the leave-in, I'm just going to detangle with the shampoo in there. I don't know if that's right, but I have to work with what I have.
All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm done putting the shampoo through my hair. I normally try to detangle my hair with shampoo in it. I don't really know if you're supposed to do that. The shampoo does have some slip, but I'm looking forward to the leave-in conditioner because I like more slip with my shampoo. I don't think that this was meant to be a detangler. I just think it's meant to be a shampoo, but my curls are revived though. Like, I know I showed y'all that section earlier where I was like, I thought I had heat damage, but here we are now. So overall, I think we're doing really good. Love this bottle, y'all. I just love it. It's something oddly satisfying about this foam as a shampoo. It does make my hair feel really good. All right, let me go wash this out so we can do the leave-in. So I am back from washing that out. This is what we look like right now. And I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, these curls popping. But you know how like a lot of times if you like use a shampoo or something, it kind of like has moisture. This feels like, can you hear that? It's so, I guess this might be like a clarifying shampoo or something because it's called Clean Slate. So I'm guessing it's like maybe not stripping your hair, but just kind of, I don't know, I guess it just takes all of the dirt and oils and stuff built up on top of it out. I'm not entirely sure, but I mean, it feels like clean, okay? So I hope y'all can hear this. Like, I really hope y'all can hear this. It sounds like a zipper. That's what it sounds like. Let's go ahead and use the leave-in conditioner. Okay, now the conditioner smells good. Like, really good. You know, another thing I noticed, you know how like sometimes when you flat iron your hair or put some heat on it, when you wash it, it has like a stank smell, like a burnt smell. And I usually smell that a lot, but you know, once I put that shampoo on there, I didn't smell that burnt smell anymore. So I really don't know what all that's about, but normally I'll be smelling that burnt smell until my hair dries. But I don't smell it at all right now. So that's actually really good to know about this product because that burnt smell when you like wash your hair after putting heat on it is a mess, okay? It's a whole mess. And this leave-in is actually really moisturizing. It feels really good. Let me look back at what she said is in there. The avocado, sweet almond, and jojoba oils. That's probably really what's doing this. So now I have put the leave-in conditioner through my hair. As you can see, it has a whole lot of slip. Okay, so after the leave-in, you're supposed to do the curl foaming mousse. It said part your hair in 4 sections, so let's go ahead and do that. Apply the mousse. I'm gonna shake it up because it sounds kind of liquidy. Oh, that smells good too. All right, curls, what's up? See, I don't like doing 4 sections. I promise you I don't. Now I'm going to add the curl sauce. And after that, I'm gonna diffuse and then we'll see the final results. Oh, this is clear. See, it's clear. So I guess it's kind of like a gel, I guess. All right, so now I'm going to diffuse my hair to dry it. And this is the same diffuser I always use, but I'm gonna link all products down below.
So when I diffuse my hair, I usually use the cool air setting with the speed on high for the air. And then once I'm done diffusing, I then brush out my edges because you know the edges always have to be laid.
All right, y'all, I am done diffusing my hair. And y'all, just look at these curls. So if I had to rate this product on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say a 9. And the reason why it's a 9 is because of the smell from the Clean Slate shampoo. It was kind of strong for me, but I did like the way that it made my hair feel. But my nose is kind of sensitive, so you know, if something smells like a chemical, or if it smells like apple cider vinegar, which I don't like that smell anyway, then you know, that did decrease the score for me. But overall, would I purchase this product? Yes. I would have really liked to try the conditioner, but that wasn't sent to me, so I wasn't able to try the conditioner. But the leave-in conditioner gave my hair a lot of slip. It smelled really good. The curl mousse was really good. It felt really good on my hair, and so did the curl sauce. As you can see, I have leave-in conditioner on my hair right now, the curl sauce and the curl mousse, and my hair still has some body. Like, I do got some heat damage though on the ends. Let me cut those off. Y'all see that? Y'all see that heat damage on my ends? Let me cut that off. But that's what happened, you know, when you flat iron your hair sometimes. You get some heat damage. I mean, it is what it is, you know? But just get rid of it. I do really like this product. I look forward to using it in the future. One thing I like about this line is that I do feel like it's complete. One of my biggest pet peeves is if I buy like your whole line of products, and then once I start using the stuff for a wash and go, then I have to add a gel or add something that I already got here to give me desirable results. That's one of my pet peeves. I feel like with this line, the curl sauce and the curl mousse is really good. Like, I really do like it. But my curls right now are flourishing, sis. They flourishing. Do y'all see it? Flourishing. And the fact that this came, you know, right after a silk press, like, popping, okay? So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something, so you don't miss something, because I'm probably going to be doing a protective style next, since, you know, I'm going to wear my curls out for a little bit, then I'm going to go put some braids in some of my head, so stay tuned for that. But thank you, my curl products, for sending me your product for me to try it out. I will be purchasing from y'all in the future. They also gave me this shirt, and I'm here for it, sis. I'm here for it. But I will see y'all in my next video.